Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Palantir. Now Palantir has had a bit of a rough road recently. It's been kind of, let's just say, out of favor with a lot of different funds, with investors, retail investors, who they are very popular with. However, their product is still getting better. It's still gaining adoption. They're still growing at a massive rate. You can see by the earnings that they're not doing as good as they were, right? They were making a little bit of money, now making a little less money. They're losing money. Now they're losing a little bit more. One of the things that they're doing is they're handing out stock like candy to their employees. Okay, that's good, right? Hopefully they're going to contain that in the next few quarters. Because they needed to bring more people on board to fuel the expansion, and maybe they were not able to pay as much, and so they had to give them stock options or something like that, or give them stock. And that's really good growth for the company in general. However, it could hurt the bottom line, as we've seen, right? Because the way they have to do the accounting now, they have to account for all that. And that's kind of putting a little bit of a drag on earnings. Otherwise, they'd be in positive territory, for sure. Now, they did also put their product out there for free, and that free trial is going to be coming to an end real soon. And once that happens, people are going to have to decide, okay, we're going to use this that's embedded into our company. Everybody knows how to use it. It's an awesome product. Or are we gonna just end up paying for it, or are we gonna switch to something else midstream? And so we'll have to see how that adoption goes when they transition from the free model over into the pay model. So they have a big task ahead of them. As long as they keep growing, they keep gaining contracts, both federal and commercial. On both sides of the product, it looks good. The fundamentals of the company look great. The technical indicator part of the company looks terrible. Okay, let's look. We got 3 red indicators here. I should have sold some covered calls on the stuff that I had. I have thousands of shares of this thing because I was banking on this thing going to the moon. And I think it's still going to. It's just going to take a little longer than anticipated. I was thinking maybe 1 to 2 year time frame. This is going to be $50. No problem. But I think that time frame is stretching out a little bit further, possibly 3 to 5 years. We could be seeing 50 to 75 in that time frame from the fundamentals analysis, from the technical chart and the technical indicators. Not so good. Okay, we're seeing it was at a high. We have a death cross. That's bad. Red arrows all over. And we have red arrows again this week. I haven't made an update video in this about a month, and I was very bullish on it. However, right now, looks like it's going back down. I think we have a couple good support levels here at $10. I don't think it's going below that. If it goes below $10, like it did back here, I'm going to sell some more cash covered puts. Hopefully you guys saw those videos that I did. I sold some cash covered puts just to reduce my cost basis and make some more. Otherwise, I mean, my cost basis is still pretty high. I don't remember exactly what it is, but it's in the $15 range. So I was getting close to the break even. I could maybe sell some covered calls here. I'm gonna have to go in and look at my portfolio and see if that's what I want to do. If the stock pops, which I don't think it's going to right now, I could lose that stock at potentially a loss. So I'm going to have to go in and take a look. So be sure you guys subscribe to my channel and see what I'm going to do with Palantir. Hopefully it's going to recover, and I'm very bullish on it over the longer time frame. Although short term, it could head lower. And it could be time to sell some covered calls. Dare I say, naked calls in Palantir. I prefer not to do that, but we'll see what happens. And be sure to subscribe, see what happens. That's all I have to say. Thanks for watching.